Can you shut up, Roomba?
Can't shut up. So bossy back there.
Shut up, Roomba! Shut up! He's starting to get mad at me.
Shut up, Roomba. So bossy.
That Roomba thinks.
I fell. I'm okay.
It sounds like he's just getting angry and angrier because of his little error sounds. iRobot, red light of death. Shut up! Shut! I can't anymore. I swear, if I hear sounds one more time, I swear I will scream, shut up.
Yeah, don't do that. Oh no, I fell. I'm okay. I'm okay. I could use a hug, but I'm okay.
Shut up, Roomba. Well, that was the perfect timing. Up.
Oh no, fix up.
Shut up.